Hi there, welcome to yet another video on, this is again about Fiverr.com, and the question has been asked by Mr. Iftikhar Bashir, and what he is asking is, he says, I just want to ask one short question, sir, please. If a Fiverr account received one or two warnings on different times, it may be in different years, then after how much time the warnings will be cleared from the Fiverr account, or the warning remains forever in the account? I basically can also relate to this because I received one warning several years ago, and I even did not have idea about it that my account has any warnings on it. And I was given a success manager. At that time I was working really hard, and I was initially a top rated seller, but then my account was demoted because I was not able to keep up the stats. I had a very high cancellation rate. So I asked my success manager, his name was Noam at that time, that please tell me why my account is not able to regain that top rated seller level. And he told me that you received a warning back several years back, and that might be the reason. I was not sure what warning was that, or so basically the reason why I'm sharing that story with you is that Fiverr keeps track of all the warnings that are received on a particular account. So it's not like it automatically disappears after some time. They remain there, but as per their monthly stats, which all the users on Fiverr, all the sellers on Fiverr have to be very conscious about, that's like you cannot receive 3 warnings in a month. So within a month, if you receive 3 warnings, which actually happened with me at one point, that ended up, what you should be careful about is not to receive 3 warnings in a month. And when I'm saying that you need to be very careful about is because of late Fiverr guys, they are canceling a lot of orders, and they are issuing warning after cancellation. So at times you might have received 1 warning or 2 warnings, and third warning you might even be sure about it. Like you might think that you haven't done anything wrong, but they might cancel some order and give you a warning for that, and that would be your third warning. That can end up in suspension of your account. So you need to be very careful these days. This is a very bad situation and a very bad action on part of Fiverr, that these guys, what they do is they are punishing sellers, and they are not even listening to their side of the story. Buyer comes in and he just says that I have some issues with this order, and please cancel this order, and they just cancel that order, and they do not even consult the sellers. They cancel the order plus issue the warning to the seller. And so many times I come across this situation. It happened with me as well a few times, and I raised my voice against this because it is totally unacceptable. Because I worked really hard on those projects on which they just cancelled it out. I lost the money, I lost all the time that I put in that project. So Fiverr support guys, I would really urge you guys to not to do that kind of thing, not to take one-sided actions. Sellers are the reason why this platform stands. You need to show some more respect to the time that a seller spends on a particular job, plus the amount of money that he has earned for doing that work. Even if you want to cancel, at least keep them in the loop. This whole behavior of canceling an order, this has to be removed. This has to be stopped, because it is really discouraging for the sellers. It badly demotivates them. So I would urge Fiverr staff to stop doing this kind of practice, because this is very discouraging for the sellers. And a lot of buyers, not all the buyers are like this, but a lot of buyers are there to scam honest working sellers. They get the work done, they change the logins, and then they send you a complaint, and you guys, without even knowing the side of story from the sellers, you just cancel the account. On top of it, you give them a warning. So I hope that this information plus all the other information that I have shared with you, you found that valuable. Like this video and share this information with your friends as well, who can benefit from whatever information I'm sharing. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.